Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my meal planner, which is also my wellness, and it is for the week of February 7th through the 13th, so right before Valentine's Day, and I'm going to be using the Agenda 52 stickers. They're truly lovely. They have this kind of workout page that I wanted to use, and I thought it might work out really well. So that's what I'm going to do, and at the end of this video I am going to go ahead and pick the giveaway winner. Since it's the same planner I'm giving away as this one, I thought it would be good to do it on this video. Okay, anyway, back to planning. I'm gonna start with the washi tape. So I'm just using some teal washi tape. There's a lot of teal in these stickers, so I'm gonna go ahead and do like every other because I wanted to cover the ingredients to prep. And initially I was going to put it around the name of the category, but then I liked it when it was just full completely like so that's what I ended up doing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover all of these, and I'm using the Live Love Posh. It was from one of her books, the washi cutter, and it's truly lovely. And as you can see, I'm removing this washi tape very gently, and it's too short to reuse for anything, so that's gotta go. Plus, if you guys have seen pictures of my craft room, there's insane amount of washi in my office, so I'm not necessarily worried. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and do the last two lines, and we will play with some stickers. So first and foremost, the girl has to come onto my planner, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove all of the markings around that arrow. There we go. And now she can chill in my planner. She is fully ready to work out, which is awesome. Okay, so it's all worth it. Is such a good thing to say when you're having a hard time working out. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these little things, and I'm gonna put a workout. I don't like it right there, and you guys know I'm very picky about my spreads, so it's gonna go right there. And I need one more workout on the other side, same thing. Okay. Back to these beautiful clear stickers from working out. And this book is so cool because it has so many girls, and each one is so different. And there's one that's cleaning, there's one that's working out, so it's very fun. So I'm adding all the weights, and then tank top. So I'm just gonna be adding all of these elements all over the place, kind of filling in the spread. I always keep this spread super functional because I do track my meals, and I add to the bottom one, I add different categories that I track as well. So I usually add my supplements and medicine, any kind of things that I need to take outside of regular meals, then steps, mood, and sleep. So that's where I am with that. And this time, instead of doing boxes, I might just write it in on a dotted area. Okay, so I'm adding weights and having fun with this, as you can tell. So cool. jumping rope, more weights. I'm just truly playing with balancing colors out, so I need some more pinks on that side and some more teals on that one, so hence things are going on that they are. Okay, almost done, and just a few more. So I'm gonna add these shoes, maybe right there. I really like that. So if you guys have this planner and are having a hard time planning in it, just use small stickers and you can use your big ones in the sidebar. I know that the sidebar used to be my meal plan for the week, but now I use the monthly because I have a dedicated planner just for this. Trying to see if I can add any more stickers, and I will add those little arrows so I can write breakfast and then dinner, and then I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna add this water bottle, and this spread is virtually done. So I'm gonna just play with a couple pieces to make sure that it's balanced, and I am done with the spread. Now I'm going to welcome you into my little corner of the office where my computer sits, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick the winner. So I pulled all of the comments from Instagram, which is this post, as well as all of the comments from YouTube, and put everybody's name, including all of those extras who shared stories. So thank you so much for doing that, and the winner is Stunning Stylist. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys very, very soon for another plan with me. Congratulations to Stunning Stylist. Have a great day.